Hello everyone, bonjour. I hope you're all well and have been managing through the pandemic. It's been an intense few months across the whole world. And while no one really quite knew what to expect as lockdown started, we quickly took action to transition to remote working and adjust our cost base for Q2. And our decisive actions, underpinned by the new strategic direction we launched a year ago, have seen the business we're in and the business that we're taking forward well positioned for both resilience in the pandemic and for growth afterwards. Ahead of our Q2 being released, we announced the transformation plan for the resources services business. We concluded both review of all options for resources and the business plan for its transformation and restructure into the future. We've already moved forward with the implementation of this plan, and this expects to see resources as a profitable services offering, complementing all of our engineering services capabilities in primary markets. I will provide a little more information on resources in a bit, but first wanted to go over the key highlights for Q2. Our SNCL engineering services business has been performing really well during COVID-19, with a solid segment adjusted EBIT margin compared to Q2 19 and only a modest revenue decrease. Overall, its broad business mix and the essential nature of some of our long-term contracts, particularly with governments, make this business resilient. However, SNCL Projects has been impacted by COVID-19. We continued to reduce our LSTK backlog, and the resources LSTKs remain on track to be largely complete by the end of the year. This gives us greater visibility as we enter the final phases of these projects. Although COVID-19 had an impact on LSTKs in the quarter, we do not consider this to be representative of the general performance of the LSTK rundown. And lastly, our financial position is strong. We generated $130 million in operating cash flow this quarter, with total cash on the balance sheet of $1.6 billion and a low debt level. I would like to take this moment to say thank you to our team for their swift and positive response to salary reductions over Q2. This support enabled us to preserve a stronger future for the company with robust financial position and stability. Most importantly, these actions allowed us to preserve liquidity so that we were able to safeguard as many jobs as possible during this pandemic, which is demonstrated through the continued delivery and strength of our engineering services business. As for the new path forward, our resources business, we have already been taking many actions to focus our service offerings and review all parts of the business to identify and build areas where we have expertise that our clients value and we can deliver these services profitably. With that, we've put in place a comprehensive plan that will transform and restructure the business. As a result, we will focus on primary resources markets of the Americas and Middle East, where we can work together with our other professional services and project management businesses. We will wind down all other geographies through closures or sales. We have recently agreed the sale of our resources business in South Africa with 1,800 employees and the divestment of our European fertilizer business. This follows the closure in March of Valeris in the US. Going forward, the resources business should represent circa 10% of the overall company's revenues, where we'll expect to break even by the first half of 2021 and turn a profit for the year. We did not take the decision lightly, and we recognize the impact this will have on some employees. Our plan shows a clear future for a dedicated service business in resources, a business that will be profitable next year. I'd like to thank both the team for their hard work and commitment through this process, and our clients for the support shown as we transform our business and enhance our services. Since the start of the pandemic, our priority has been the health and safety of our employees. As the world begins to open up and countries ease up on restrictions, we are making preparations for the most safe and effective methods to return to the workplace. Working remotely has shown our productivity from anywhere in the world, and with new ways of working developed, there is excitement around what we can do with our collaboration spaces as we plan to start wider return in the fall. Our delivery to clients has remained strong during this time, and we're working with clients around the world in helping to tackle COVID-19 itself and to address the infrastructure and new development needs as the world starts to move forward. It's been a year since we started our new strategic direction, and we've made great strides into transform the company. I'm extremely proud of our innovation and commitment, and recently our resilience as an organisation as a whole. We really do see opportunities for further digital solutions and evolution, and opportunities for new public infrastructure in the wake of COVID-19. Our expertise in engineering services will be fundamental to making these a reality. As a leading global and professional services and project management company, SNC Lavalin is strongly positioned to meet and deliver on these new and growing needs. The pandemic period has brought us even closer. By working remotely and collaborating together, I am really pleased by this and the ongoing commitment and dedication of our team. We have an exciting future together. Thank you so much. Merci.